Welcome to Neurodegeneration and AI in the Gulf. In this episode, we are exploring the growing burden of neurodegenerative diseases in the Gulf region, particularly in Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Oman, and the United Arab Emirates. While much of the global discussion on neurodegeneration centers around aging Western population, the Gulf presents a unique case. Here, the population are relatively young, but the rates of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other neurodegenerative conditions are climbing at an alarming pace. One of the primary reasons is the dramatic shift in the lifestyle. Over the past few decades, rapid urbanization, dietary changes, and increased sedentary behavior have contributed to an upsurge in metabolic disorders, especially obesity and type 2 diabetes. These conditions, well established risk factors for neurodegeneration, are now prevalent in large swaths of the Gulf population. In fact, type 2 diabetes can double the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, largely due to its role in promoting insulin resistance and chronic inflammation. Environmental factors are also playing a part. High levels of air pollution in urban areas, often due to industrial expansion and traffic, have been linked to neuroinflammation, a key contributor to brain aging and neural damage. Coupled with genetic predispositions in certain Middle Eastern populations, this creates a perfect storm for increased neurodegeneration risk. But perhaps what's the most concerning is the low level of public awareness. Many early symptoms of dementia or Parkinson's are dismissed as normal signs of aging, leading to delayed diagnosis and missed intervention opportunities. There's also an underrepresentation of neurodegenerative diseases in regional medical records, further complicating data driven policy planning and healthcare strategy. And this is where AI could start to play a vital role. Predictive analytics and AI driven health data modeling could help bridge these gaps by analyzing population level health records, flagging high risk individuals, and revealing hidden disease trends across urban and rural divides. AI has the potential to shift the focus from reactive treatment to proactive screening in a region that badly needs it.
Digging deeper into the root causes, we see a triad of contributors: genetics, environment, and lifestyle interacting in complex ways. The Gulf's high fat dietary patterns, combined with physical inactivity and stress, are all known accelerators of brain aging. Add to this a genetic profile that may include higher frequencies of ApoE epsilon 4 and other risk variants for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and we begin to understand the magnitude of the challenge. Unfortunately, the current healthcare infrastructure isn't fully equipped to deal with this challenge. While cities like Dubai, Riyadh, and Doha have made significant strides in building advanced neurology departments, rural and semi urban areas remain underserved. There is a severe shortage of neurologists and limited access to high tech diagnostic tools like MRI, PET scans, and even neurogenetic screening. AI technologies could drastically improve this picture. Imagine portable diagnostic systems powered by AI that can detect early signs of cognitive decline through speech pattern analysis, facial movement tracking, or even through subtle motor behavior changes via smartphones. Startups and researchers are already piloting such tools globally, and their implementation in Gulf regions, especially with governmental backing, could revolutionize how neurodegenerative diseases are detected. Another dimension to consider is stigma. Cultural perceptions often frame dementia or Parkinsonian symptoms as normal aging or even personal weakness. This stigma prevents families from seeking timely medical help. AI based chatbots or virtual health assistants programmed in Arabic and culturally nuanced could offer anonymous screening tools and mental health support, reducing the psychological barriers to early diagnosis. Research funding is another hurdle. Most Gulf based neuroscience research currently focuses on stroke, traumatic brain injuries, or pediatric neurology. Clinical trials targeting Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or ALS are few and far between. AI can help here too by optimizing trial recruitment through EHR mining, identifying eligible candidates from existing databases, and even helping predict trial outcomes with greater accuracy.